Do Jared.
Oh, you knocked off a bead.
Do Jared. Do Jared.
Do little things.
Alright, here we go.
Teach me how to Dougie. Teach me how to Dougie.
Oh, cat daddy.
Do you know how to like bop or whatever it's called? Like,
Hold on, so you think you can dance? Alright, we lost a shoe, I think. Alright.
That's it? Aw.
Let
Let
me
me go
stop
in.
that.